What's up, guys?
Oh, we're on.
We're
Hi.
on. William and Veronica and Alexia and Michael. We're part of the William and Veronica real estate team. We're doing an awesome video again today. Today is Tuesday, so we want to send some positive messages out there every Tuesday, and every Thursday we're going to do something real estate related. And of course, if you know anyone thinking about buying or selling real estate, hit us up for sure. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's going to be somewhere around there.
Right here.
If you know anybody thinking about buying or selling, please keep us in mind. In today's video,
It's about affirmations, positive affirmations. So,
so affirmations are positive statements that we say to ourselves to reprogram our mind and to help us believe in the world that we want to create and see ourselves in, right?
right, and they're also used to help us create the reality we want, often in terms of making or attracting wealth, love, beauty, happiness, the things that you want in your life
Right.
and within your family and your.
It helps you
circle.
attract the things that you want in your life, helps you believe more, reprogram your subconscious mind. And we, as a family, right, we get
Right.
together every night and we say positive affirmations. Alexia, do you want to lead us in our positive affirmations, what we attract?
We attract money,
Money,
wealth,
health, confidence,
great
Great
relationships,
relationships, love, peace, and happiness.
Super motivated
Sales
sellers
and
and
buyers.
sellers and buyers.
abundance
Some
of
great things,
super lucrative opportunities,
lucrative opportunities,
gratitude,
gratitude,
Patience.
patience, fun,
adventure.
adventure,
We're attracted
Easily,
easily,
frequently, and in mass. We avalanches to me.
And then we send positive energy and love to either 1, 2, 3, 4, sometimes 5, many people every single night individually. And we do that every single night. So we just wanted to share our best practices as a family.
Yep.
And what else?
And that's it.
And that's it. So again, please don't forget, if you're in need of help buying or selling real estate, know of anybody, please keep us in mind. And don't forget to
Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Right,
Right
Michael?
there.
Right there.
like it, like the video as well, please. Feel free to share it and hit us up if you need us. William and Veronica Real Estate Team. And we got Alexia and Michael. Valentina is
Sleeping.
snoring. And we're gonna keep it like that right now. We need some sleep. So
All right.
thanks for watching, guys. See you on
Bye.
Thursday. See ya.
wonderful.